Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. In today's class, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns in Santali. In the previous lesson, we read and learned about the simple demonstrative pronouns with their animate and inanimate variants in different numbers. In this lesson, we will learn about other types of demonstrative pronouns, particularized demonstrative, intensified demonstrative, lateral demonstrative, and demonstratives referring to sound and sight. Now we will see the particularized demonstrative pronoun. Let us look at the particularized demonstratives first. There are two roots, ni and in, from which the particularized demonstratives are generated. Unlike simple demonstratives, this type of demonstrative has only proximate and distant distinction. Forms for remote are absent. Consider the following table. Third person animate singular number in proximate. Ni means just this. Third person inanimate singular number in proximate. Near means just this. Third person animate dual number in proximate. Nikin means just these two. Third person inanimate dual number in proximate. Near kin means just these two. Third person animate plural number in proximate. Niku means just these. Third person inanimate plural number in proximate. Near ko means just these. Let us look at the usage of third person proximate of animate in the following sentences. Ni sim sabe me means hold this hand. Nikin dakakin isina means they will cook rice. Niku pedako tahena means these relatives will stay. The underlined words of the above sentences are in the form of third person proximate of animate. The proximate form ni is formed from the root ni with the addition of animate marker we, denoting any living being. Dual and plural forms receive the kin and ko respectively. Generally, ni, third person singular number proximate of animate form is used for imperative sentence. But dual and plural number forms are used in all kinds of sentences. Now, consider the usage of third person proximate of inanimate in the following sentences. In near puthing kirinya means I will buy this book. Am niyakin nonol idi me means take these two pens. In niyako kahni padhawa means I will read just these stories. The underlined words of the above sentences are in the form of third person proximate of inanimate pronoun of all numbers. You know, inanimate nouns and pronouns have no person marker oja. Next, we discuss on the particularized demonstrative pronouns of third person distant. Here, in is the root of the pronoun from which the particularized demonstrative pronouns are generated. Now, consider the following table. Third person animate singular number in distant. Ini means just that. Third person inanimate singular number in distant. Inner means just that. Third person animate dual number in distant. Inkin means just those two. Third person inanimate dual number indistant keen means just those two. Third person animate plural number indistant ku means just those. Third person inanimate plural number indistant ko means just those. Let us look at the usage of third person distant of animate in the following sentences. Inidoy seno kana means he or she is going. Inkin do kin parha kana means they too are reading. Inku do ko siu kana means they are plowing. The underlined words of the above sentences are in the form of third person distant of animate. The distant form ini is formed from the root in with the addition of animate marker e denoting any living being. Dual and plural forms receive the kin and ko respectively. As usual, third person markers are used with the addition of animate marker we denoting any living being. Dual and plural forms receive the kin and ko. Now consider the usage of third person distant of inanimate in the following sentences. Ina do bare dare kana means that is a banyan tree. Ina kin do sereng puthi kana means those two are books of song. Ina ko do sahan kana means those are fuel wood. The distant form in of the inanimate is derived from root in with the addition a in the singular number. If there are e and a in a word, so gahla to the is inserted to a and make the word in. Similarly, dual and plural forms are derived from the full form in with the addition of dual and plural markers kin and ko respectively. Now we will see the intensified demonstrative pronoun. To specify an animate being, human or non-human. Another set of demonstrative is found in Santali which we can call as intensified demonstrative. Look at the forms. Intensified demonstrative animate pronoun singular number no'oi means this very one, and ni'i means just this very one. Intensified demonstrative inanimate pronoun singular number no'oi means this very object or thing. Let us look at the usage of third person intensified demonstrative pronoun of animate in the following sentences. Nu'ui gidr nonde minaya means here is the very child. Ni'i hor holai he lena means just this very man had come yesterday. The underlined words of the above sentences are the form of third person intensified demonstrative pronoun of animate is ni'i and nu'ui. Ni'i is formed from the root ni, just this one, by infixing o. Nu'ui is from the root nu by infixing o. to the intensified demonstrative pronoun for animate, nui, this person or animal. Dual and plural of nui and ni are often missing. Now consider the usage of third person intensified demonstrative pronoun for inanimate in the following sentence. Nooi puthing nyam keda means I have got this very book. Nooikin chatom sab me means hold these two very umbrellas. Nooy ko lugdi dohoy me means keep these very clothes. Now we will see the literal demonstrative. To indicate a living being and an object or thing on the side, two sets of demonstratives are formed by aspirating the initial n of nui and ni, noa and near. For aspirating o is added to the initial n. Lateral demonstrative form is generated from simple demonstratives nui and noa. Look at the forms. Third person animate singular number inproximate. Nui means this being here on the site. Third person inanimate singular number inproximate. Noa means this object here on the site. Third person animate dual number inproximate. Nukin means these two beings on the site. Third person inanimate dual number inproximate. Nuakin means these two objects here on the site. Third person animate plural number inproximate. Nukku means these beings on the site. Third person inanimate plural number inproximate. Nuwako means these objects here on the site. Lateral demonstrative form is generated from particularized demonstrative ni and near. Third person animate singular number inproximate. Ni means just this person or animal on the site. Third person inanimate singular number inproximate. Near means just this thing here on the site. Third person animate dual number inproximate. Nikin means just these two here on the site. Third person inanimate dual number inproximate. Niyakin means just these two things here on the site. Third person animate plural number inproximate. Nikku means just these here on the site. Third person inanimate plural number inproximate. Niyako means just these things here on the site. These demonstratives are all in proximity. No distant or remote forms are available. Now we will see the demonstrative referring to sight and sound. These demonstratives are typical in Santali. It is not found in other language, at least in India. These are formed on visibility and audibility at a distance. These refer to the person or object at a distance or further off. While we have demonstrative referring to sight have distant and remote axis. Demonstrative referring to sound have remote. Now look at the forms. Demonstratives referring to sight. Inanimate singular number indistant. One means that seen there. Inanimate singular number in remote. Hane means that seen over there. Inanimate dual number in distant. Onekin means those two seen there. Inanimate dual number in remote. Hanekin means those two seen over there. Inanimate plural number in distant. Oneko means those seen there. Inanimate plural number in remote. Haneko means those seen over there. Notice that the root forms of these demonstratives are distant, on, and remote, han. Now consider the following sentences. One nyelo kana means that is seen there. Onekin bati julu kana means those two lamps are lighting. Oneko gadi seno kana means those cars are going. Demonstrative referring to sound. Look at the forms. Singular number in distant. Ote means that which is heard. Dual number in distant. Otekin means those two which are heard. Plural number in distant. Oteko means those which are heard. Note that the root form of this demonstrative is oth. It has only distant form. There is no animate inanimate distinction. Next, we consider the following sentences. Ote sade kana means that is heard there. Otekin serenyeda means the two are singing, that is heard. Oteko ruyeda means those are playing, that is heard. Alright everyone, we have now come to the end of this class and I hope you are enjoying the process of learning the Santali language. Remember, consistency is key. So, keep practicing regularly to strengthen your understanding. See you again in the next class. Thank you.